Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install ksign application, all iOS device working. You can check this my device also iOS 18.2. So all iOS working this method. First you need this ksign IPA file link. So I'll provide you ksign IPA file link. After download this ksign IPA file, then you just go your home screen. After complete download, then you can open my app store application. You just open this my app store application and just wait 1 minute. Then you click sign application. Just select your file ksign IPA file. Then you can select your file. Just wait 1 second and click application process. Just install button click. After you just wait 1 second and go your home screen, check your ksign application already installed done. After done, you just open this application and you install any IPA file from your iOS device. Easy to way, but you need to buy my app store application. This is premium $10 price.